this is Nikki. Welcome back to Nikki's Homemade Crafts YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the dread stitch. It's a very fun stitch that includes mostly double crochet stitches and some chains and skipped stitches. I will be using Premier's Cotton Sprout worsted yarn for this tutorial. I'm also using a 4mm crochet hook. If you're part of the January 2024 mystery crochet along that focuses on stitches and a quick fun pattern, be sure to check out the link down below in the description to find the correct amount of chains you're going to need in order to make part 1. Remember, you have a few different ways to get the written tutorial. You can go directly to my website, see it for free with ads, or you can join my membership called the Crochet Club. You can join as a monthly, quarterly, or annual member. Now let's get started with the actual stitch tutorial. You're going to need a chain of a multiple of 8 plus 3 and plus 1 if you're using the alternative turning chain, also known as the stacked single crochet. Start with a stacked single crochet or alternative turning chain in the second chain from the hook. You're going to place 1 single crochet. And now you insert your hook into the loop that's closest to your yarn finger, yarn over and pull through. Now 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. This is a stacked single crochet, counts as a double crochet, and you'll be able to put your stitches in the next round right here on the top where that V is. Now in the next 2 stitches, you're going to crochet 1 double crochet per stitch. Now you're going to skip 2 chains. And now you're going to crochet 1 double crochet. And now we're going to crochet around this double crochet that we just made. You can go all the way around, or you're going to find spots onto the double crochet to crochet your stitches into. I'm going to make a chain of 3, and now we're going to place evenly 3 double crochets onto this double crochet. I personally prefer to crochet 2 of them, so 1 here and 1 here, and then another one into that same chain. You can also crochet it directly onto the double crochet. Either you're going to crochet 3 stitches directly onto the double crochet, or if you like it a little neater, the way I do it is 1 double crochet here, 1 double crochet here, and then 1 double crochet back into that chain space. So I like to use the loops that I have available right here to crochet 3 double crochets. And the last one I prefer putting right into that chain. And there we go. Now you're going to skip 2 chains, and then you're going to crochet 3 double crochets over the next 3 chains. So 1 in each. Now you're going to repeat that box stitch again. So whatever you're seeing right here is what we're going to repeat over and over again. So you can see that this is the stitch count of 8 stitches right here. And now you're going to repeat this over and over again. So we're going to skip 2 chains. We're going to make a double crochet. And now you're going to crochet 3 double crochets after making a chain of 3 onto the double crochet, either evenly directly on a double crochet or 2 on a double crochet and 1 into the chain. Then again, skip 2 chains and then finish the row with 3 double crochets, 1 per chain. Make sure that each row starts with 3 double crochets and ends with 3 double crochets if you're doing the stitch in rows. Now turn your project. You're going to start again with an alternative turning chain or stacked single crochet, or a chain of 2 and a double crochet. It's up to you. I prefer the stacked single crochet because it's cleaner that way. Crochet 1 double crochet on top of each double crochet. So you will start with 3 double crochets. The stacked single crochet is counted as a double crochet. Now you're going to crochet 2 chains and place a single crochet right on top of the tip of the diagonal box stitch. So you can go into the top chain, you can go in the chain space, whatever works best for you. Now you're going to place 2 more chains And now you're going to crochet again, double crochets, one on top of each of the double crochets. Now chain 2, again a single crochet on top of the tip of the diagonal box stitch, chain of 2, and always finish the row with 3 double crochets, 1 per stitch. Now it's going to look like this. Now turn your work. Now we start again with a double crochet or equivalent of it. In this case, I am doing a stacked single crochet. And now 2 more double crochets, 1 per stitch in the next 2 stitches. Now you're going to skip those 2 chains that you made in the previous row, and you're going to place a double crochet right on top of the single crochet. You're now again making one of those diagonal box stitches, chain 3, and now place evenly 3 double crochets onto the double crochet, or 2 on the double crochet and 1 in the single crochet. It's up to you. I prefer 2 onto the double crochet. Like, pick up the loops right there, place your double crochets, and then place 1 more into the single crochet. Now skip those 2 chains you made in the previous row and crochet 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then of course you're going to repeat this again right over here. So again, you're skipping those 2 chains. You're going to make a double crochet on top of the single crochet, a chain of 3, and place your 3 double crochets. I personally like to go 2 onto the double crochet and 1 more into the single crochet. Now skip again those 2 chains and finish the row with 3 double crochets, 1 per stitch. Now you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 as many times as you need or the pattern calls for. So for those doing the mystery crochet along, please be sure to check out the written instructions in order to know how many rows you're actually going to crochet. Be sure to share your picture into my Facebook group called Crocheting with Nikki with the corresponding hashtag. Now remember, I have a membership called the Crochet Club, and it has over 400 ad-free patterns with checkoff boxes and additional tutorials, VIP access to me teaching you every single week what you want to be taught, whether it's stitches, tips, amigurumi, little patterns, or anything else. On a monthly basis, we vote on what you want to see the next month, and every week I go live and teach you exactly what you want to be taught. So come join my membership if you want to get my patterns ad-free and get a really fun community with it, as well as me teaching you exactly what you want to be taught. I'll see you in the membership. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'll publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.